Siegfried Anyosa, 21 from Silang Cavite.
Anong name nga ulit?
Siegfried Anyosa.
Secret? Secret. Here's your question. Ano yung kaya mong i-sacrifice para sa pangarap mo?
I will sacrifice myself to for my parents and my family to survive in our forest of the poor province.
Ang Secret, sa tingin mo sa panahon ngayon, ano yung kahulugan ng isang buhay na lalaki?
For me, as a man, we have intelligence and appearance and masculinity.
Hi friend, this is your question. Anong mararamdaman mo kapag ikaw lang yung hindi makukuha ngayong gabi?
Be thankful because give a chance to screen this kind of competition and to explore my characteristic, to build up my communication skills.
Gusto ko lang malaman yung kahinaan at kalakasan pagdating dito sa pageant.
Ikaw daw.
My weakness is Q&A and passerelle po.